What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Chilling with Jay. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, welcome back. Back at the shop, checking out the Firebird T-top coupe. Tell me what y'all think about that flip. She flipping. She looking good. Shining like a diamond. Just got painted. Tell me what y'all think. Comment below. Like, plus subscribe. What y'all think of that color? She flipping. She looking good. Trying to catch her flipping for you guys. See if we can catch it. Catch it flipping. There you go. She done joined the game. Wet game. She ready to go. Looking good, looking good. Tell me what you guys think. I think she ready. Y'all see her flipping. She flipping. What y'all think of that color? Tell me what y'all think of that color. Think she ready for the world? I think she ready for the world. Firebird. Ready for the world. She looking good to me. I'm gonna drop another video for you guys when she get put all back together, so y'all can see the finishing touches. She almost there. Tell me what you guys think. Until next time, peace.